Students, we are already seeing about the chapter 2, that is nothing but fractions and decimals. In fractions and decimals, what we were seeing, we were just revising about the fractions, that is like and like, improper, proper, how to add and subtract the fractions. Then what else we saw? We saw the multiplication of a fraction, how to multiply a fraction by a whole number, and what is off. Off is nothing but an multiplication. Off, if they give off, it is nothing but a multiplication. Then what else we saw? We saw the value of products and the different topics in the value of the products. Today we are going to see about division of a fraction. In division of a fraction, we are going to see two things, that is division of a fraction by a whole number, how to divide by a whole number, and how to divide by a fraction. And one more thing we are going to see is that reciprocal fraction. What is reciprocal fraction? Let me continue with the topic. First, we will see what is a reciprocal of a fraction. Reciprocal of a fraction is nothing but, see, listen, I will give an example here. But here we have 2 by 3. Reciprocal of the fraction 2 by 3 oda reciprocal என்னன்னு கேட்டாங்கன்னா அது அப்படியே reverse பண்ணணும், that is 3 by 2. Understood, students? If they ask a reciprocal of a fraction 2 by 3, the reciprocal will be அப்படியே reverse பண்ணணும். இப்போ 2 by 3 ஓட ரெசிப்ரோக்கல் என்ன கேட்டாங்கன்னா அப்படியே ரிவர்ஸ் பண்ணால் என்ன வரும்? 3 by 2. அண்டர்ஸ்டுட் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்? இதேமாதிரி if they give some other fraction, that is 2 by 6, what is the reciprocal of the 2 by 6? What you will say, that is 6 by 2. அது அப்படியே ரிவர்ஸ் பண்ணாக்க reciprocal fraction. Understood, students? If they give a whole number, that is nothing but, if they give 2, what is the reciprocal of this fraction? That is nothing but 1 by 2. Understood, students? 3 means that reciprocal will be 1 by 3. இந்த மாதிரி whole number-ஆக கொடுத்து அதை ஒரு reciprocal எழுத சொன்னாங்கன்னா you need to put as 1 by. If they give a fraction, அது அப்படியே reverse பண்ணால் போதும். ஓகேவா? If they give 2 by 3, the reciprocal will be 3 by 2. See here. They have given 7 by 5. The reciprocal of 7 by 5, what will be the 7 by 5? Reciprocal of 7 by 5 is nothing but 5 by 7. Understood, students? Reciprocal of 7 by 5 is nothing but 5 by 7. அதை அப்படியே ரிவர்ஸ் பண்ணாக்கா 5 by 7. இப்போ இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிங்கன்னா what you will get? It is nothing but 5 will be cancelled, 7 will be cancelled, answer will be 1. Understood, students? This is nothing but a reciprocal fraction. Reciprocal fraction is nothing but a reverse of that fraction, of the given fraction. See here, students. Any two non-zero numbers whose product is 1 are called reciprocal. What is reciprocal if they ask? This is the definition. If any two non-zero numbers whose product is, any two non-zero numbers, அதோட ப்ராடக்ட் வந்து 1 இருந்ததுன்னா that is nothing but it is a reciprocal. Understood, students? See, students, we will see an example here. Find the reciprocal of each number. See here, they are asking the reciprocal of 5. They are asking the first question, reciprocal of 5. Reciprocal of 5 is nothing but 1 by 5. Understood, students? Reciprocal of 5 is nothing but 1 by 5. Reciprocal of 5 is nothing but 1 by 5. If you multiply this 1 by 5 into 5, the product will be 1. That is nothing but a reciprocal. I have already said the definition, right? Any two non-zeros, if it is multiplied, the product will be 1. See here. They have given this one. Now see the second one. See the fraction here. Now this first one was the whole number. Second one will be the fraction. See here. For fraction 2 by 5. For 2 by 5, what will be the reciprocal? அப்படியே reverse பண்ணலாம் 5 by 2. Okay, students? Reciprocal. See here. Reciprocal of 2 by 5 is 5 by 2. அப்படியே reverse பண்ணாக்கா அது reciprocal. If you multiply 5 by 2 into 2 by 5, the product will be 1. That is nothing but reciprocal. See here. Understood, students? In the given number-யும் இந்த reciprocal-யும் multiply பண்ணிங்கன்னா the product will be 1. Because this 5 will be cancelled. 2 ones are 2 cancelled. So answer will be 1. Understood, students? Now we will continue with the division. Next we will continue with the division.